I'm Puokamele, and this is my Kumu digital planner for school year 25-26. I designed it specifically for Kumu here in Hawaii, but anyone may use it and modify it for their own personal use. It's only in ʻōlelo, Hawaii, so if you don't know ʻōlelo, now's your chance to learn. There are three versions, each with a different week view. Everything else would be the same. The first option has days of the week going across and subjects running up and down. The second option has subjects going across and days of the week running up and down. And the third option is more flexible. It's only vertical. So it might be useful if there's different subjects or different things happening on all different days, and you didn't want something set with just one subject per block. The planner starts with the cover sheet and then our dashboard for the whole year. Here we have a view of the entire year. It's a good place to write important things that you don't want to miss. And you can click on each month to jump directly to that month. Once you get to the month, you can also return. Each week view starts on a Monday. So if you click on any of the Mondays, then you can navigate directly there, as well as navigate directly back. Since this is designed for school year 25-26, the weeks begin the week before school starts and runs to the week after school ends, but you're welcome to add more weeks by duplicating a week and adjusting the dates. The next tab is a view by quarter. If you'd like to note down any big things happening in each quarter, these dates are following the DOE public school calendar. The next tab is a link drop area where you can leave any important links that you'd like to, or important information, student rosters, whatever you'd like to do there. I've gone ahead and left some important links for you, my fellow Kumu here in Hawaii, the DOE calendar, HSTA, and if you didn't know what our rates are, we should all know what our rates are. Feel free to change that if you're not interested. For the planning area, the planning starts with a month followed by the weeks of that month. On the month view, you can click on any of the Mondays to jump to that week if you'd like to. Also, there's navigation for you to go to the previous month, the next month, or to go back to that master calendar in the beginning. For our week view, you'll have the view that you want to, depending on which version you selected, but the navigation will be the same on each version. You can go back to the previous week, go ahead to the next week, jump to the month that this week is in, or go back to that master year view. If you're interested in this calendar, give it a download. It's $10. It's my first digital calendar ever. I've been using physical copies of planners, but next year I plan on being more collaborative, and I feel like a digital calendar will help me to do that and also help me stay organized. There's been too many times where I forgot my book at home or at school, so this digital version, will be able to access it from wherever. But it is my first one, so please leave feedback. If you like it, you don't like it, what should be changed or added. If you have any questions, I'll be checking the chat every now and again, and I hope to have answers to all of your questions. Na'umeke aloha, malama.